What if I told you there's a specific number, a real exact dollar amount, that once you hit it, you never have to work again? Not retire at 65, not someday, right now, at any age. Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money. 40 hours a week, 50 weeks a year for 40 years. And then, if they're lucky, they get to stop. But there's a small group of people who figured out a different game. They built a number, and that number works for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while they sleep, while they travel, while they do absolutely nothing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate your number, what it takes to get there, and the most realistic path to do it, starting today. Let's start with the foundation. The concept is called financial independence, and it's built on one simple idea. If your investments generate more money than you spend each month, you don't need a job, ever. Sounds obvious, right? But here's what most people miss. They think this is only for the ultra-rich. It's not. A regular person with an average salary can reach this number. The question is, how big does that number actually need to be? This is where a famous rule comes in, called the 4% rule. It was developed in 1994 by financial advisor Bill Bengen. He analyzed decades of stock market data and found this. If you withdraw 4% of your portfolio per year, your money will last at least 30 years, very likely forever. Because historically, markets return an average of 7 to 10% per year. Inflation eats about 2 to 3%, so you're left with a real return of roughly 4 to 7%. That means if you only take 4%, your portfolio stays intact, or even grows. Let me make this real with numbers. Here's the formula. It's simple. Your number equals annual expenses times 25. Why 25? Because 1 divided by 4% equals 25. That's it. Let's run some examples. Example 1. You spend $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year. Multiply by 25, your number is $600,000. Example 2. You spend $3,500 a month. That's $42,000 a year. Multiply by 25, your number is $1,050,000. Example 3. You spend $5,000 a month. That's $60,000 a year. Multiply by 25, your number is $1,500,000. Now, before you close this video and say, impossible, hear me out. These numbers are big, but they're not unreachable. And I'll show you exactly why in just a moment. First, let me bust the biggest myth about living on interest. Most people think living on interest means putting money in a savings account and then getting rich from the interest. That's wrong. Here's why. A typical savings account gives you 0.5 to 2% per year. Inflation runs at 3 to 4%, so in a savings account, you're actually losing purchasing power every year. Your money shrinks, slowly but surely. The people who actually live off their investments, they're not in savings accounts. They're invested in index funds like the S&P 500, dividend stocks, or real estate that generates rental income, or a combination of all three. These assets have averaged 7 to 10% returns annually over the last 50 years, even through crashes, even through recessions, even through pandemics. Yes, there are dips. Yes, there are bad years. But the long-term trend? Always up. This is the foundation. Now, let's talk about how to actually build your number. Here's the hard truth. There's no shortcut, but there is a clear path, and it's more achievable than you think. Let me show you what happens when you invest consistently. This is called compound interest, and Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's what it looks like in practice. Scenario: you invest $500 per month at 8% annual return. After 10 years, $91,000. After 20 years, $294,000. After 30 years, $745,000. Starting with zero, just $500 a month. That's less than $17 a day. Now, if you can invest $1,000 a month, after 20 years, $589,000. After 25 years, $950,000. After 30 years, over $1.4 million. You've crossed the $1 million mark on a regular income without winning the lottery, without starting a $1 billion company. The secret ingredient is time and consistency. This is why starting now matters more than starting when you have more money. Every year you wait costs you tens of thousands of dollars in future returns. Now let's talk about the 3 most realistic paths to financial independence. Path 1. Index fund investing. This is the most passive option. You invest in a broad market index fund like the S&P 500, and you let time do the work. Historically, this returns about 7 to 10% per year. You don't pick stocks, you don't watch the news every day, you just buy consistently and wait. This is what Warren Buffett recommends for regular investors. Path 2. Dividend investing. Dividend stocks are companies that pay you a portion of their profits every single quarter, like getting a paycheck just for owning shares. The goal here is to build a portfolio that generates $2,000 to $5,000 per month in dividends alone. This takes more research, but many investors love it because they see the cash hitting their account every 3 months. Path 3. Real estate. Buy a property, rent it out, collect checks every month. Real estate is powerful because you use leverage. You might put 20% down and control 100% of an asset. A single rental property can generate $500 to $2,000 per month in passive income. Many financially independent people own 2 to 5 properties. The best strategy? Combine them all. Index funds for stability and growth, dividends for cash flow, real estate for leverage and income. Let me give you a realistic picture. If you're starting from zero, here's what different savings rates look like. Saving 10% of income, nearly $400 a month, you reach $600K in approximately 32 years. Saving 20% of income, nearly $800 a month, you reach $600K in approximately 22 years. Saving 40% of income, nearly $1,600 a month, you reach $600K in approximately 14 years. This is why the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early, focuses so heavily on increasing your savings rate. Not on picking the best stock, not on getting lucky, just saving more, investing it, and letting time work. The fastest path is simple. Earn more, spend less, invest the difference. So what do you actually do after watching this video? Step 1. Calculate your monthly expenses. Multiply by 12 to get your annual number. Then multiply by 25. That's your target. Step 2. Open an investment account. If you're in the US, a Roth IRA or brokerage account. Start with even $50 or $100. The habit matters more than the amount. Step 3. Automate your investments. Set up automatic monthly transfers. Remove the emotion, remove the decision, just make it happen on autopilot. Step 5. Increase your savings rate every 6 months. Even by 1%, it compounds dramatically over time. Step 6. Don't stop during downturns. When the market drops, that's a sale on shares. Keep buying. The people who stopped in 2008 or 2020 missed the biggest recoveries in history. Financial independence isn't a fantasy, it's a math problem. And now you know the formula. Your number, your timeline, your path. The only question is, when do you start? If this video helped you, hit the like button. It literally takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and drop in the comments, what's your number? Calculate it right now and tell me below. I'll see you in the next one.